Hello everyone, and welcome to our detailed review. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the QiaoYoubang 10-pack of 1.7 by 2.7 inch server rack cable management D-ring hooks. Designed to organize and manage your wires and cables, these versatile hooks are carefully engineered to accommodate power cords, fiber optic, network patch cables, and much more. In today's tech-driven world, maintaining a neat and efficient server environment isn't just a matter of aesthetics. It also plays a crucial role in ensuring that your operations run smoothly and that your equipment remains well ventilated. Let's start by exploring the key specifications of these hooks. Each D-ring hook is built to a size of 1U, with dimensions of W1.73, D2.7, H 1.73 inches, or 44 by 68.5 by 44 millimeters. Additionally, the cable storage space of each hook measures D2.56 by H 1.57 inches, ensuring that a variety of cable types can be neatly stored without tangling. The back installation board has dimensions of W1.73 by 0.78 inches, which makes mounting and aligning the hooks a breeze. Constructed from high-quality cold-rolled steel with a powder coating finish, these hooks promise durability and a sleek appearance that fits perfectly within any server rack setup. When it comes to functionality, the design truly stands out. The flexibility of these individual brackets allows for installation in multiple locations, adapting to your unique workspace or equipment layout. This ensures improved airflow and reduces heat-related damage, a critical benefit for server environments. For those who are set up sensitive to temperature variations, this design could be a game changer. The installation process is remarkably simple as well, requiring only 2 screws per hook, which means you can have your system organized in no time without the need for elaborate mounting procedures. Real-life performance of this product has been promising. Users have appreciated the robust build of the D-ring hooks, noting that they securely hold cables in place, even in busy environments. However, some users have mentioned that while the hooks are highly effective, the exact capacity might be a tad limited if you are dealing with exceptionally bulky cables. When compared to similar products in the market that use plastic or lower-grade metals, these steel hooks not only provide a sturdier build, but also a more cost-effective solution in terms of longevity and performance. To maximize your experience, ensure you plan your cable routes beforehand and leave some extra slack to accommodate any future changes. This foresight could significantly enhance both the aesthetics and efficiency of your setup. Overall, the QiaoYoubang D-ring hooks come highly recommended for data centers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone looking to maintain a clean, organized server environment. Thank you for listening, and we appreciate you spending your time with us today. Greetings to our viewers, and have a fantastic day ahead.